In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize widgets on dashboards. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can build a dashboard that really matches the way you like to work, instead of just relying on the default view. First, make sure you're on your main workspace or board view in your tool. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical bar, often called the sidebar or navigation bar. Look for a plus icon on that left side. This is usually the place where you can create or add new items. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click the plus sign, a small menu or list of options will appear. From this list, you want to look for the option labeled Dashboard. This is what will either open an existing dashboard area or let you create a new one. Click on Dashboard to continue. Once you're in the dashboard section, you may see multiple dashboards or different layouts, depending on how your workspace is set up. Here, you'll need to select the specific dashboard where you want to customize widgets. This might be a personal dashboard, a team dashboard, or a project-specific one. Take a moment to choose the dashboard that makes the most sense for the information you want to see. Click to open that dashboard. With your dashboard open, you're now ready to start adding widgets. Widgets are small, configurable blocks that display information, such as task lists, charts, timelines, or summaries. Look toward the main dashboard area for a button labeled New Widget. This button is usually located at the top or in a prominent area of the dashboard interface. Click on New Widget to begin customizing. After clicking New Widget, you'll be presented with a variety of widget types or templates. This is where you choose what kind of information you want to visualize. For example, you might see options for lists, charts, statistics, calendars, or progress summaries. Carefully review the available options and think about what would be most useful for your workflow. When you've identified the widget type you want, click to select it. From here, you can typically fine-tune your widget settings, such as the data source, filters, and display options. Once saved, your customized widget will appear